What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I want to talk about a new project, and it's been a while since we've talked about a brand new project that's looking to, make an impact in the crypto market. And we've seen a lot of different things that have been created. It definitely, in the Solana chain, we see a lot of meme coins that are created. On various different chains, we're seeing different things that are created there. But I wanted something that kind of speaks to creating, memes, speaks to the original thought process behind memes, which is creating the meme themselves and how strong the meme can actually be. And a lot of times when the world has the opportunity to create the memes themselves rather than that specific project or company or project or whatever, right, comes up with that meme for themselves, it's never really like genuine, right? They're coming up with it because they just want to find some sort of meme. But if, people out there, like everyday people like me and you and the next person next to you and the next person next to them, we can create anything we want based on the reality of our living situation or what we're dealing with in that time period, in that day. Um, so I want to talk about this new project, which is Bill the Bear. I think this is something that has come across my desk. One, I don't know if this video will be copyright claimed because of the music that's going to come up, but we're going to play the music anyways. And if it does, we'll just kind of bleep that out and put some different music in there and just let it, flow through. But I like the website. I feel as though, when you go into the website, you have the I don't know, a different type of feel to it, like you're supposed to be there, if that makes sense. So, guys, anyways, let's go through this. Bill the Bear, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. I will provide all of the links for Bill the Bear down there as well. If you guys are interested in it and really want to explore it, feel free to check that out. But let's go ahead and enter the website. Now, again, I'm not going to say anything worthwhile because I don't know if this part's going to be copyright claim or what. I really don't know. So if that becomes the case, I will, bleep out that part of the video. But you enter the website. Here we go. All right, so I just wanted to put that out there because, it's always great to just go through the experience of what the website is. I feel as though going through that experience, the way I did the first time, I was like, this is kind of interesting. It makes me feel great about what I'm getting into. I don't know why, but maybe it just reminds me of like certain things on TikTok or something. I don't know, but anyways. Bill the Bear. This is the website. Let's go ahead and dive through it with actual, words and stuff. If you wanted to read it, you can read it yourself as well. Bill the Bear. Bill is your favorite internet bestie. He got lost at a young age and ended up being raised by a peculiar set of parents. Join him as he looks to make friends on his journey exploring the internet. On chain, you can go ahead and copy that address as well. And then they have the memes. And I think this is where it's a little bit more interesting than a lot of other, memes that are out there because you have the picture or whatever the image is that may speak to you, and you may be able to create your own meme. So you can go in here, create your meme, it'll load, and you can select whichever one you want. I think this one is cool. For some reason, it spoke to me, and you could have, he's over here sweating, and I think it would just be funny to have buy, and it's like, which one do I pick? Something like that. You create your own memes, or if it's relatable to something completely outside of crypto, but just having Bill the Bear in there, it can create a bigger meme because of the imagery, because of what it is and what it how it speaks to you, whatever that is, whether you're sitting lonely on a bench or on a swing, or you're riding your bike, you fall off, and while you're, I don't know, traveling or something like that, and then boom, the market crash, and you fall down. I don't know what the meme could be, but the point is that you can create any meme that you want, which is definitely the interesting piece about this. So let's scroll down here and let's enter this again. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna have to mute this all together, just so we get that out of there, just so we don't hear it. But yeah, it's very simple to understand, right? Bill wants you join the tight knit Bill family. Jumping into our Telegram, you can go ahead and check out their Telegram. I will provide that link down below as well. You also have, as any good bestie would, Bill is here to help you find your style, so you can rock it everywhere just like him. So you can go to the factory of Build a Bear, and right now I believe it's coming soon. It's not actually available currently. But yeah, I thought this was definitely interesting. You can go and check out their Twitter, which their Twitter has about 2,600 followers right now, which will take you into the website. But yeah, everything is coming soon. So if you want to go ahead and check that out for yourself, feel free to go ahead and give that a look. So currently, if we wanted to get into the nitty gritty of things, here is Bill the Bear. It is a Solana coin. It's currently at a 14.5, $14.6 million market cap. They also have 6,800 holders, and you're looking at about $10 million worth of volume. So we're not just looking on something that's just a concept and just like out there as like nothing, and it has no type of volume. Like, it has $10 million in volume in the last 24 hours, has $14.5 million for a market cap. You're looking at the circulating supply of 888.88 billion. You're looking at the volatility. You're looking at 21.24. So the point is that you have some popularity, you have some movement with it, you have some people that are like, yeah, you know what, this is great. Like, it's currently up in the last 24 hours 463,000%. 460, almost 464,000% from where it was at these low levels. So it's great to see that level of growth. It's great to see a push, a pull, a push, a pull, and see that the buys and sells that are going through. So if you guys want to go ahead and check this out, again, I will provide every single link that I can down below for Build the Bear. I will also provide the link directly to the Dex Tools breakdown. But yeah, things just look really good for this position and where it stands. And also, obviously, going into the website and going into the meme side of things, I feel as though you guys need to just give it a look and give it an opportunity. But definitely take some time, check it out. Links down below. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Have you already seen this or have you not? But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, for taking the time to watch this video. We try and bring you different projects all the time, and I hope you guys can do your own research with those things and eventually make whatever decision you want to make. If it comes to what you want to purchase, ultimately make that decision on how much you want to purchase, or maybe not purchase. Whatever you want to do, it's your decision in the end. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya. You know what? I know what this reminds me of. So it reminds me of MySpace back in the day. MySpace, where you would go to somebody's profile, you would scroll through it, and you would have whatever song that plays with it. I knew I would figure it out.